Glebar also offers semi-automatic or fully manual grinders for small component manufacturing. The TF9DHD is touchscreen computer controlled and employs a stepper motor and linear glass scale for positioning and accuracy. In this demonstration, the TF9DHD is through-feed grinding catheter tubing. The tubing is automatically fed, sized, and automatically dried and ejected into a shipping tube. The machine is fully automated and can form diameters and tapers in tubing. Due to the 8 5/8 inch wide wheel, the machine produces a superior surface finish, accurate size control, and longer wheel life. More material can be taken off the diameter of product in fewer passes, still producing superior surface finish. The TF9DHD functions as both a through-feed and in-feed grinder. In-feed mode allows the user to grind multiforms into parts. Through-feed mode allows the user to grind the outside diameter.